Life is all about enjoying the little things, especially, we would add, little foods. Everything is cuter when it's mini. I've said that a time or two on this show, and these one-bite wonders are no exception. She's known as the Baker Mama. Maegan Brown is joining me through the screen to share a few brilliant bites. Hi, Miss Maegan. How are you? Happy summer.
Yeah, happy summer to y'all too.
Are you humming? Are you swimming? Are you soaking in all the good sunshine?
All of the above. It's been just flying by. It's so fun, but
well, we're celebrating summer. We're also celebrating you. You've created a cookbook full of all things mini. Why did you take on this kind of specific little bitty focus?
Well, it's just fun. Mini foods are just fun. Everybody loves a good bite-sized treat, and that's what this book is all about. It has 75 charming and delicious bites in it for any occasion. We're talking breakfast, parties, meals, desserts, and even a few little savvy sips.
Well, we are so lucky because your book hasn't officially released yet, but we get a sneak peek today. Let's jump in with the pancake taco bites. How do we make these, and what are they?
They are little foldable tacos, little mini pancakes that you fold into a taco and you can fill with a variety of fillings. So I love to set out a variety of fillings and let everyone just fill their own little mini tacos. And the beauty is that they're bite-sized so you can enjoy more than one taco creation.
What are you filling these with?
Well, we've got yogurt, we've got whipped cream, peanut butter, Nutella, and then a variety of fruits, berries, got a little bit of jams, and then lots of fun toppings like sprinkles, mini chocolate chips, granola. So you can really just go wild and have a little pancake taco creation that is to your liking.
Pancake tacos. I'm thinking if we're making pancakes anyway, just go small. The kids, the grandkids are going to think that's hilarious. They're going to have a hoot with that.
They'll have so much fun, and it's just so yummy. So,
how big were those pancake taco shells exactly?
They are tiny. They're about 2.5 inches wide. They fold up perfectly, and you can just fill them with a little yogurt. It's about 1 tablespoon of pancake batter. And the beauty of this batter is that the maple syrup is actually the sweetener.
Oh.
So you don't really need maple syrup. It's built right into the pancake. So you can just eat your pancake with your hands and fill it with a variety of fruits or whatever you want to put into it.
Okay, that's adorable. If you're feeling a little more savory for breakfast, you could probably switch out the toppings, but still use the same idea, right?
Absolutely. We've made them with eggs and bacon and sausage and cheese, and they're just as delicious, and it hits that savory craving at breakfast as well.
And the syrup, you said those are built in, but you could also do some dipping sauces?
Yes, you can melt your Nutella or your peanut butter and dip them in that. You could, of course, have the syrup or any other pancake toppings that you would like.
Cutest ideas spread out on the bar, maybe for a special Saturday or a just because summer weekday. Pancake tacos. We are putting those on the breakfast menu. Maegan, thank you so much. When does your cookbook come out? Can we pre-order?
Yes, absolutely. It comes out September 12th, so it's available for pre-order. You can get it online at most major retailers, and Amazon is the most handy probably place to order it, and it will be out very, very soon. It's a must-have.
Brilliant bites. Well, I think it's a brilliant idea and a really fun food concept. Easy too, approachable. Maegan, congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
You too.